This video doorbell by Eufy Security is the best in its category. It has a designated camera to keep track of packages left at your front door. And with the holidays around the corner, it gives you that extra peace of mind. And in case you didn't know, Eufy is a sub-brand of Anchor, so you know the quality and the user experience is top-notch. In the box, you get everything you need to help you mount the camera. It's compatible with existing doorbell wiring and chimes, but if you don't want to mess with wiring, the battery is removable and rechargeable via USB-C. I can't forget to mention that there's no monthly fee and 8 GB of local storage. Check it out in the TikTok shop.